Hi everyone, I will show you how to change background color on Instagram story. Open your Instagram app and swipe right and take a picture. Now tap the sticker icon on the top. Now tap here and select the picture. Now tap the three dots and tap the draw option. Now you can see the color option are available now. Now you need to select any color which you like and tap or hold the background. Now you can see the background will be changed. If there is a problem with this video, so ask in the comment. Any problem related to social media and internet, let us know in the comment bar so we can make a video on it. Please like this video and press the bell icon for any update.